To be teaching you guys how you guys can trim sounds on TikTok. So by trim, I mean let's say you add music on TikTok, then you can choose like which specific part of that music you want to use on a TikTok video. So that's what trimming sound on TikTok means. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step, you open TikTok, you click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to add a video. So let's say I'm gonna just choose a random video from my gallery over here. So I'm gonna choose this video from my gallery, click on next. So I'm gonna add a music over here. So I'm gonna go on sounds. And over here, sounds, I'm going to choose this sound. So after I choose this sound over here, what I can do is there's going to be a little, scissor icon right beside the music. I'm going to click on the scissor icon. Now I can choose which part of the music I want. So let's say I want like the end part. So I'm going to scroll at the end over here. Once I scroll at the end, this is going to be the end part. So I click on done over here. And once I done it, I can just click on the video over here at the top. And the sound has been added of the end part. So once I add the sound, I can click on next. I can click on post and this video will be posted. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can trim sound on TikTok.